Woodpeckers OneTIME Tool, the 1281 Precision Woodworking Square Special Edition, is known for its hard coat anodizing. Let's head out to the shop in Strongsville, Ohio, and see how the 1281 Special Edition is made. Milling starts with securing solid plates of cast and ground tool plate aluminum in one of our state-of-the-art CNC mills. This step yields the central core for the 1281, a feature that sets the 1281 apart from all other squares on the market. The hard coat finish is UV stable and won't fade with exposure to sunlight. The 1281 Precision Woodworking Square Special Edition is laser engraved and then carefully packaged and prepared for shipping. If you haven't ordered your 1281 Special Edition yet, what are you waiting for? Order yours today.